Welcome to Teacher Lola Rose channel.
This is my grandma, Lola Rose.
This is my grandson, Roro. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, mga higala. Alright. What will be our topic for today, Roro?
The topic is Gilas Pilipinas, our national team, mga higala. Because we lost by 2 points yesterday against the Georgia national team. But Gilas Pilipinas will still advance to the semifinals, playing against a very strong team that is Brazil. I will tell you the roster of the Brazil national team.
Brazil.
There is Iago Santos, Cristiano Felicio, player of the Chicago Bulls, Didi Lozada, Portland Trail Blazers, Vitor Benite, Marcelinho Huertas, Los Angeles Lakers, Gio Santos, Golden State Warriors, Leo Mendel, Raul Neto, Utah Jazz, Jorginho De Paula, Joao Cardoso, Bruno Cabulco, Houston Rockets, and finally, Lucas Diaz. That is the roster of the Brazil. Yeah, there are 6. And they are ranked number 12 in the whole world. 12. Current FIBA rank is 12 number. Yeah, it is strong. And the game will happen tomorrow, Saturday, at 8:30 p.m. Same time as Georgia. And Gilas already had a ticket to go back home from the Philippines. Yeah, but they just rebook it. Yeah, because they thought that they would not
qualify
in the yeah, but they actually did. They will face Brazil, and Latvia are in our group. Will face Cameroon. Yeah, they will face that team, Cameroon versus Latvia. In the other side, Gilas needs 2 more wins to enter the Olympics. No, the whole Olympics to enter. Because you just need to win once in the semifinals. Win once in the finals. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 more wins until the Gilas Pilipinas will enter the Olympics finally after a long time. And then Gilas Pilipinas goes to the semifinals after a 2-point loss against Georgia national team. 2 points only. And also, Gilas wiped out a 20-point lead in the halftime. In the third quarter, they catch up. Georgia lead by 20 points. And if they held that lead till the end, Gilas would be bye-bye. Because the lead should be 19 or above for Gilas to be eliminated and then go home. But the lead was only 2. So Georgia goes home. But it's a win is a win. But eliminated.
But Kai Soto
there is no news about him like fully injured, but he was in a hospital, and it said that all of those were negative, so he's like fine. Yeah, and he might play in the Saturday game against Brazil. Yeah, only may, not will. So it's still 50-50 chance. Maybe he will rest and save his strength for finals.
Correct. The doctor
will be the one who will decide if he can play and tell Team Cone that not yet or it's okay already, you can let him play. Because Thomason of the Georgia national team, he played like American football. He like banged when Kai tried to shoot. He was boom on the stomach. Then when he fell, Goga Bidatsi jumped because he tried to block his shot. Then he ends up falling on Kai Soto. And Bidatsi is strong. That's why it's also effect. But Gilas is yeah. But they are now in the OQT semi-final, and surely the other teams are scared because how does a team come back after a 20-point lead? 25 is the biggest lead in the whole game, and Gilas Pilipinas catched up slowly by slowly because of the magic Brownlee time. They feed Brownlee the ball, shoot, pass, shoot, run, block, steal, and catch and shoot. And also, Gilas Pilipinas shocked Latvia, surely.
Correct. Number 6 and number 12.
Yeah. And will we see the same in the finals? Like in the Asian Games, Gilas Pilipinas lost to Jordan. Then they won against Jordan in the finals. Or ours, now, we will win against Latvia 2 times in a row. If Latvia goes to the finals and if Gilas Pilipinas goes to the finals.
Sila yung mag-fight.
If only. Cameroon is also a strong team.
Strong.
Yeah. But sadly, there will be no Montenegro in the semi-finals. They have been eliminated even with their NBA top-tier big man, Nikola Vucevic, currently playing for the Chicago Bulls, together with DeMar DeRozan and other great NBA players out there, like Zach LaVine, sadly not playing for USA. And they are eliminating and they are heading home to Montenegro.
Sa ako pa Brazil.
Brazil versus Philippines in the other side. In the other side will be Cameroon versus Latvia.
The winner.
Then the winner of those two go to the finals, and whoever loses, bye-bye. The other one wins a Paris Olympics ticket to go there and attend the game. And hopefully, if we win the Olympics, the OQT, we will win the Olympics next. That's the next
How many years?
challenge for Gilas Pilipinas.
Challenge with the team.
Because there are very strong powerhouse teams like France, USA, Japan, and other more strong teams. And USA, it's like a super team. There's LeBron, Steph Curry, Anthony Davis, Joel Embiid, and no Tyrese Halliburton. There's Anthony Edwards, there's Joel Embiid, there's Anthony Davis, Steph Curry, Devin Booker, Jason Tatum, no Kyrie Irving, no Dame, no Damian Lillard, no Paul George, there's Kawhi, no Westbrook, because it's old already and not anymore in his prime. And that is a very strong team. But I still think that if they face USA, Gilas would maybe still win.
Yes.
Because they have no...
help of God.
Yeah. Because they have no 7-footers.
Pray with good play.
USA has no 7-footers.
What?
Yeah. And if we get grouped with USA in the Olympics, it's not sure yet. Because it's not sure that we will be in the Olympics yet. Mga higala. It's 2 games left. Yeah, that will be the next goal. of Gilas Filipina. And I think that's all I can say, mga higala. Please like, make sure to subscribe down below, comment. Please subscribe so that we can be monetized. And thank you for commenting. Bravo in the last video. Bye. See you next video.
Thank you. Bye-bye.